Good morning, everyone. Customers have been dreaming of an RTR that comes fully equipped with all the upgrades they've been requesting. So I think it's time for us to take action. What are some key upgrades that our customers have been asking for? Based on customer feedback and sales data, it seems like improved suspension systems, upgraded motors, better stock servos, and an LCG chassis are at the top of their wish list. Absolutely. Those upgrades definitely seem to be in high demand. Let's make it our mission to fulfill these requests for our valued customers. Oh, and let's make sure we set a price point that's unbeatable. We want to shock everyone with the value that they're getting. What's up, guys? I'm Shannon, aka the RC Princess, and today we're unboxing one of Redcat's latest products, and I'm thrilled to say it is a result from our voices being heard. Redcat has truly delivered on our feedback and has crafted what can only be described as the perfect RTR. That's right, today we are unboxing the Redcat Ascent Fusion, a 1/10 scale LCG rock crawler. First off, this thing has a gorgeous design and body, and look, the wheel nuts match the body. It's always a bonus in my book. The body clips are positioned back here, and the body is front tilt, allowing for easy battery swap and keeping a sleek and stylish design. This is a redesign of the first Ascent that Redcat launched. Disclaimer here, I have not owned the first Ascent, so I have nothing to compare this to. The first one just did not catch my eye, but obviously this one did, and I'm super excited to get it out and run it, you guys. They made this Ascent more powerful, added more performance, more durability, and even a lower LCG. You guys know me and my love for hobby wings. And apparently Redcat does too. Redcat added in a Hobbywing Fusion 2-in-1 FOC 1800 kV brushless motor. Comment down below, do you own any Redcats and what do you have? Let me know down in the comments below. Redcat has thought of everything, including adding 46 grams of brass outer portal covers, and also the motor sits 6 millimeters lower in the chassis. This really makes a difference in creating a more stable and responsive rig and adding weight down low. It also has front and rear metal bumpers, and these are tucked in out of the way, allowing for great ground clearance. You can get up and over just about anything with this rig. There is also room for a winch to be added if you choose to do so. For the steering situation, they added more clearance for the front steering links by adding a low profile aluminum diff covers. And they even threw in a Hexfly metal gear servo, and I have talked about Hexfly servos in this video. And you guys know that I really like them for their price point and their performance. I think they are one of the best servos for what you get for price and what you get for performance wise. I do have a Reefs laying around here that I could throw in it. I'm just not sure if that's what I want to do yet because I don't have a problem with Hexfly servos. So we shall see. The suspension on the Redcat Ascent Fusion is out of this world. They swapped the front outer springs for softer ones, and they removed the rear inner springs altogether. So the setup is really nice on this. This carbon fiber LCG chassis is gorgeous. It just looks highly capable without even running it. The carbon fiber extends to the frame rails, shock towers, and the motor mount. And did I mention that this can be yours for the low price of $399? That's right, guys. Finally, we got an RTR with a lot of amazing upgrades, and it doesn't break the bank. Like, Redcat, what are you doing to me? It does have portal axles, and remember with the brass outer portal covers also. For wheels, they also threw on bead locks, so no gluing or ungluing if and when you decide that you want to swap tires or foams. I personally am not a fan of the tires, but I'm not complaining. It seems silly. They threw everything else at us. It seems silly to complain about the tires, so I'm not complaining. Just know that these probably will be swapped in the future, but I am going to give them a fair shot. Now for the specs of this rig. It has about 2.8 inches of ground clearance and about a 12.3 inch wheelbase. The Redcat Ascent weighs 5.34 pounds. So now let's talk battery. I did have to purchase a new battery for this rig. It takes a 2 or 3S LiPo shorty pack, which I do not typically run the shorties, but this is the one that I picked out. It's the Spectrum. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what I'm going to throw in there. Now you might be like, it has a hobby wing in it, which is an XT60. Yes, I am aware of that. I am actually going to change the plug on the truck. Now let's go out and actually crawl with it because I have been dying sitting here. Like, I need to go. I'm so excited to see how this performs and excited to show you guys. So let's get out there and go crawling. Well, what do you guys think? Did they come back stronger with the second launch of the Ascent or what? In my opinion, everybody needs to get their hands on one of these trucks. They are absolutely amazing, and for an RTR, you can't ask for much more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and also if you want to stick around, hit that subscribe button so you're around for future uploads, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!